Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video on the Viwoods Ai Paper. I bought this really for taking notes at work to replace my Onyx Books Max Lume, which I've had for a couple of years now. I never particularly liked it for taking notes on. The surface was too slippery, but it was fantastic for reading technical books on, so it did serve a purpose. This one, the Viwoods, I was hoping would replace it, so I would use it for reading and taking notes at work. I've basically been watching a lot of reviews online, the usual e-ink reviewers. I always struggle. I always find that they seem to praise e-ink devices, and then when I've purchased them I've been quite disappointed. They're not really matched up to the reviewers' comments, and I think that's the case here as well. I've watched a few videos where the writing feel was praised on this device, but so far I've been quite disappointed. I find it quite a sticky surface to write on. I'm not really impressed with the pen that's on offer. When you write on it, it looks like the nib is slanted a bit, and just functionally it's not as polished as it needs to be. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick demo of well, how I think it feels. First of all, I don't particularly like the user interface. I think it looks quite childish. What's with all the shadows on the icons? It looks ancient, so I'm not keen on the user interface. And plus, I don't think it's as responsive as it should be for the type of panel that it has. So it takes a good, I don't know, half a second or so to respond. It's not as responsive as I expected. So yeah, let me just take some notes. Yeah, I think there's a bit too much grit on the surface sometimes, so I normally write a lot neater than that, if you can believe that, and I'm just struggling to use this device to write on it as I would on paper. It's just got it's not a paper-like experience for me. And the eraser I struggle with as well. I don't know if you've noticed this, but if you use the eraser function, it actually erases part of the icons on the side. That's not very good. So yeah, and to remove a page, you have to go into this option. Sorry, where was it? I've only just received this, so I am still learning. And then erase all. That's a bit of a palaver, isn't it? Should be a lot easier to remove a page. So I don't think I would be as productive on here, but I think my biggest issue is just the writing feel. I just can't write on it as neatly as I can on paper. And I struggle with the nib as well. As you can see, it goes in, but I don't know, when I write on it, it looks like it's slanted, which just spoils the experience. Yeah, so for me it's disappointing. So I'm going to have a look at the Supernote Manta, I've already tried the Onyx Go 10.3. I didn't particularly like the writing feel on that, so I'll upload another video once I have a look at the Super Note Manton. Hopefully that'll be the right device for me. Thank you.